How to add YouTube link to Facebook profile. Start by opening the YouTube app on your device. Then search for the video whose link you want to add. Once you find the video, tap on the three dot icon. From the menu, select the share option. Now tap on the copy link to copy the video URL. After copying the link, go back to the Facebook app. Then tap on your profile from the top left corner. Next, select the edit profile option. Scroll all the way down. Under the contact info section, tap on social media. Then tap on add. From the list, choose YouTube. Paste a copied link into the text box. After that, tap on the next button at the top right corner. Finally, tap on the save button at the bottom of the screen to keep the changes. And that's how you can add YouTube link to Facebook profile.